Good morning, this is Kym Watson from Easy Trader doing a 2 and 2 on Thursday the 12th of December. Looking at the pound dollar first, and what we've got here on the dailies now is a pivot swing. Now you can see pivot swing, there's a bullish pivot swing at the bottom here. When it gets triggered, they have a decent chance of going somewhere. Also, that said, there was actually a pivot swing just here, and it just did a very small move relatively. So they're not guaranteed to do massive moves, but quite often there was one here, there was one here which triggered and just did a smallish move, but they do from time to time, as in the case here, give some decent size. They are quite often setting out tops and bottoms. If this was, well, we could run down and catch the monthly pivot at some point, which has a reasonably good probability of being hit in December. That said, I do have a target of 163.91, so somewhere up here. Oops, even higher than that, around about that sort of area to be hit, which could be hit today before anything else happens. The pivot swing doesn't really come into play unless we break yesterday's low, so we could just continue to the upside if that pivot is hit, the daily target's hit today. That's cable. Let's have a look at the euro dollar. Still pushing up, but it's still in a sort of bullish mode at the moment. It's consolidated, run through, caught yesterday's level, so it's I've got no downside targets for it. And I mean, the obvious area really is these prior highs here. Sorry, badly drawn line there. To me, it seems like almost an obvious place for it to be wanting to push up towards, and maybe through, because around these levels there'll be stops from short traders and people that have gone short on the way up here. They'll put the stops at the top there, some buy stops, so we could get some continuation through that area for a bit at least. So certainly that looks like a key area, and it could really be reached today at this rate. Again, no French news today, so there's nothing really to as I say, stop us running up there. So that would be the sort of target I'd be looking for. If it does break the highs, that's yesterday's highs, that's what I'd look for it to run down to. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.